Hello and welcome to another One Funnel Away Challenge summary video. Today we are at week 3, mission 3, the squeeze page. You're going to build out your squeeze page and it's actually quite straightforward, but it's one of the most important pieces of your funnel, and it basically, after your traffic source, it's the first step of your funnel. So getting things right here will also affect the rest of your funnel. You could have a perfect sales page, order page, upsell, downsell, and so on, and with really high conversion rates. But if people don't opt in on your squeeze page, it will be all for nothing. So it's really crucial that you spend a little bit of time. I actually made a video about how you can create a beautiful looking squeeze page in under 15 minutes. I will put a card up here and link to it so you can actually go and check it out. It's not rocket science. All you need to do is font pairing, color pairing, and then basically go ahead and start creating it. The page editor is quite straightforward. And usually all that you need is like one section on top, a headline, subheadline, then 2 columns. On one side, you put your e-cover or whatever lead magnet you have. On the other side, you put a little bit of text, an input field for the email and or name, and a button. And that's pretty much it. Plus, maybe you want to design maybe you want to design page leaf pop-up. I'm quickly going to share my screen with you. So you're actually going to see a squeeze page that we designed for one of our affiliate funnels just recently. And I push that button and you see my screen exactly. And you see it really is straightforward. Now in that case, we also have a second block down here, which is just another section with a headline, a little bit of text, and a button that takes people back to top. Why do we have that additional block? Because if you have a page as empty as this, and you want to run Facebook or Google ads, chances are that your ad will not be approved because it's not enough information for them to actually determine if you're running or if this is a real website or if this is just some scam or whatever offer. So add a little bit of text further down below and you're good to go. You have your squeeze page ready, again with a pop-up. I could for sure work on that text here in the pop-up, but you see the principle is very simple. I'm actually going to share you how that looks in the page editor and that it's not rocket science. What we're doing here is actually, I just picked the background image that you can see here. So we have one section that has this background image. Then we have 2 rows that you see here that are desktop only and have no content. That's simply to create space so that the headline isn't that high on desktop, but on mobile still isn't all the way sticking to the top, or on mobile it's all the way to the top so people don't have to scroll, but on desktop it creates some spacing and makes the funnel look better. And so other than that, there's only that one row which then has the headline and subheadline, and again those 2 columns here. Now there are 2 columns here, one with the picture of the digital asset, the lead magnet, the ethical bribe that people are getting, a little bit of text, email and button, and a note about privacy. Now, what we also have here is another row here that is empty, but it's only empty on desktop because it contains the cover on mobile. So that on mobile, people actually don't have to scroll to opt in, and when you start scrolling, they see what they get. Yeah. So that's pretty much what we have here. And then again, we have the second section with a white background or a slight gradient in that case. And again, 1 row, headline, text, button, that's it. And our footer, but your footer doesn't have to be nice looking like this one. It could pretty much be another section with 1 row and 1 line of text where you say like copyright by, privacy policy, terms and conditions, and whatever you need to say. And that's pretty much it. So as you see, it's not rocket science. It's really can be easily done in no time at all. You just have to believe that you can do it. It really is very easy. It doesn't matter how many IT skills you have. Yes, maybe you don't get it as nice looking as this funnel is, in my opinion. Again, like taste is subjective, so maybe you don't like this funnel, yeah. But the point is you can do it, and the looks of your funnel will not have a huge impact on your conversion rates unless you're selling something really, really expensive where it's important that the funnel also looks very, very professional. But if you're just selling like low end stuff, which is the purpose of your One Funnel Away funnel, then the looks doesn't matter that much. Yeah. So go ahead, start creating your squeeze page. Just make sure everything is in place. Test it on mobile, test it on your computer, and then maybe, share it with some friends and ask them for feedback. Yeah. Make sure on your mobile and on desktop that people do not have to scroll in order to see the input fields and the button. Yeah. And that's the biggest there is. But again, the card I put up there, check out that video as it shows you how you can create a beautiful yeah, beautiful squeeze page in literally less than 15 minutes. And yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget, if you have any questions, use the comments below. Use our dedicated OFA group chat if you're a member there, and use our Facebook group if you're a member there. So thanks for watching. See you tomorrow with another One Funnel Away challenge summary. Till then, bye-bye. Thank you for watching this video. If it provided you with any value whatsoever, don't forget to like it by hitting that thumbs up button down below. And also, to ensure you don't miss out any future content, go ahead right now and click on the subscribe button down below. Now, last but not least, the only thing left for you to do is actually pick which of the following 2 videos you want to see next, and I'll see you there.